Howdy there, guys. This is Old Main Productions. I'm here at Taylor's Landing Road Crossing, right here in Sharpsburg, Maryland. This crossing is about halfway in between Hagerstown and I believe Shepherdstown. It's a little bit closer to Shepherdstown, but still roughly halfway. And so we have a train coming through here. As you can tell, this is not the old main line. This is the NSH line, Hagerstown line. And we should be having a couple, well, one extremely special train coming through here today. So we picked a nice rural, beautiful location. Got some cows over there, you know, cows. You can hear cicadas.
If you listen really closely, you probably hear the cicadas.
Yep. And also, guys, something really cool I wanted to show you guys. There's a sign over here, and I'm obviously not going to trespass, but this sign is a piece of history you won't see very many places anymore. No trespassing. N&W Railway. Norfolk and Western, which that might give you a little bit of a hint what we're hoping to catch here today. But I'll leave it at that. Howdy there, guys. This is Old Main Productions. We have Norfolk and Western 611. Should be here any minute. Amazing steam locomotive. Been waiting here for hours for it. Has a SD70ACE leading. Hope to get a great shot of it, guys. Here's the old main guy. Nice fellow whose cousin is on this train. There's the crossings. Definitely a sound like no other. There it goes. You won't see that again for a long time. Be till October when it comes from exact same direction back west.